Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at GameStop stock, and you can see this one today is down by 2.5%. We're looking at everything that's been going on. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions and levels that I'm looking for into the next couple of days. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, do remember to do your own research, and this is not financial advice. Now, of course, we've been seeing GameStop dropping over the last couple of days. Really, since the late part of last week, we've been seeing this decline in the share price. At the same time, I do personally believe that despite the fact we are red today, the trend appears to be somewhat slowing. You can see this trend, right? If you were to draw a line through it, it would initially just be a relatively straight down trend. But what we're seeing now is momentum to the downside. You can see this sort of scope building, right? We'll see if we can bring a pen into it. We'll see if we can just get a brush in, right? You can clearly see this trend to the downside is slowing somewhat, right? Now, of course, that is a good thing. As I continue to draw that level over here, we are looking to potentially see this one, if we can get off this, see this support, right? See this potential bottom coming in the next couple of days for the next potential support consolidation phase, and then the next potential leg up. So levels that we could be looking at and levels that we are coming very close to. Well, of course, you are finding supports very, very strongly around this level in the past. You're looking at levels down to about 24.25. This could be a level to watch out for in the next couple of days. Again, you are seeing the stock bounce off of this range back on the 10th of September. Levels just below that do look a bit like 24.10, potentially down to $24 range on the dot. That is really as low as I want to see this one go. I don't really want to see this one drop much below that. I think if you were to begin to drop below that, you're looking into the 23.90s. You're seeing strong historical supports around 23.77, around this period too. So again, that could be another level to look out for. But again, I think what we are seeing here is potentially the early beginning stages of this downtrend slowing somewhat, and that could be something to look out for in the next couple of days. So really, it's as simple as that, guys. I'm not going to make it any more complex than it needs to be. That is essentially all I'm looking for. I'm looking for this stock to continue to consolidate, or I should say really begin to consolidate, because we're not actually there yet. Begin to consolidate, right? And again, when that begins to happen, especially if it happens around these points, or these points, as I say, around here, then it does beg the question as to how stability is coming in and whether we can land the next leg up. So personally, I wouldn't be buying right now. I'm looking to see if this trend, as I'm looking for, does actually hold up. And of course, I'll be giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on what happens and my updates as time goes on either way. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave me a comment letting me know what you guys are doing. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.